Unlock your business potential with Impress IT solutions. In today's fast-paced digital environment, businesses rely on technology to streamline operations, improve productivity, and drive growth. Impress IT Solutions, based in Houston, provides cutting-edge IT services tailored to meet the unique needs of businesses across industries. Whether you're a small business looking to optimize your IT infrastructure or a large organization aiming to enhance cybersecurity, Impress IT Solutions is your trusted partner. Comprehensive IT services, managed IT services. At Impress IT Solutions, we take the stress out of managing your IT systems. Our managed IT services provide proactive monitoring and maintenance to ensure your systems run smoothly.